Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Cool Ideas. Today we're diving into the world of e-scooters, and not just any e-scooter, but the Hyperion by Solar Scooters. This thing is a monster. It's like the Lamborghini of scooters, minus the leather seats and overpriced cup holder. First off, let's talk speed. Hyperion can take you from 0 to 65 miles per hour. Yeah, you heard me right, 65 miles per hour. That's highway speed, folks. Imagine cruising past traffic on a stand-up scooter while everyone else is stuck in their cars, sipping their lukewarm coffee and listening to the same old radio ad. It's got dual 3500W motors, each peaking at 4,500 watts. That's like having two angry cheetahs strapped to your feet. Now I know what you're thinking. How far can I go before I need to recharge this beast? Well, if you keep it at a reasonable 30 miles per hour, you're looking at around 70 miles per charge. But if you're a speed demon, expect that range to drop faster than a stone in water. It's all powered by a massive 72-volt 40Ah battery with Samsung 21700 cell. That's 2,880 body-hours of pure, unadulterated fun. The Hyperion doesn't just stop at speed and range. It's got XA custom-designed adjustable hydraulic suspension, which means it can handle a load capacity of 2,000 pounds at each end. So if you've had one too many donuts, this scooter's got your back. Plus, with a 90-degree tilt and zero wobble at full speed, you won't need a damper. Ever tried wobbling at 65 miles per hour? It's a quick way to meet the pavement. Built on a CNC aluminum folding chassis, this scooter is sturdy and stylish. It's got electro-luminescent Tron deck lighting in 5 colors. Because why not look cool while you ride? The integrated 2000 lumen headlight ensures you can see and be seen. And with Nutt hydraulic disc brakes, you can stop on a dime, essential when you're tearing down the road at insane speeds. 4.3-inch LCD display offers ride data at a glance, and even pairs with a smartphone app for navigation assistant. And those 11-inch pneumatic anti-skid tires? Perfect for gripping the road, even when it's wet. Ready to join the speed gods? The Solar Scooters Hyperion is available for pre-order now for $3,299.99, with shipping starting at the end of August.